Hey guys, my name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedopot, where you no longer water your plants anymore because the planters grow your plants, germinate your seeds for you. You literally walk up to the planter and you put your seeds and plants in the planter and they literally grow your food. And so I think we've grown so far about 15 pounds of string beans. It's a lot of them. But you know, the funny thing about it is that the 15 pounds of string beans, they came from only 3 planters. So 3 planters grew, I would say close to maybe about 1,500 pods. Torpedopot grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food anymore. All you do is put your plants and your seeds in the planter. You turn it on and you supplement and you'll have food for the rest of your life. It's just that simple. Not only have I never seen this many beans before in my life in one location, Torpedopot grew it for me. And so I don't have to worry about them not being healthy. It's pure, healthy food, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And guess what? The planters behind me are growing well, close to 15,000 of these pods. And they're just delicious food. You know the funny thing about it? It's hard to find a defect or a blemish. Look how perfect this food is. It's perfect food. Torpedopot wants to ensure your family's food supply. Torpedopot wants to ensure that you and your family will have food for the rest of your lives. So you'll have food for the rest of your life. We're trying to feed the world, and we're doing it one household at a time. Once I can produce this much food, and I only did it from 3 planters. Imagine if I did it from 30 planters. 500 peapods and each planter, total of 1,500 peapods. If I did that in 30 planters, oh my goodness. That's close to 15,000 seeds, peapods. Yes, you can grow 15,000 peapods in your backyard using your spigot without having to ever water your plants again in your life. And it's called Torpedopot. And I'm gonna tell you something, you've got to get you some. You don't know what you're missing. This much food in this small area is unbelievable. And I've got so much more to pick. You see, I've only picked 3 planters back there. I hope you can see it. Only 3. And I've got so many more to pick from. All right, Darryl Addison, I just want to show you what you guys can do, the nutrition that you can have, the food that is at your disposal when you use the Torpedopot. I don't have to go and supplement my food. I've got my food with my supplements in it already. I don't have to worry about that. And it's absolutely stunning and beautiful. And it grows without me having to be there. So these Torpedopots, I never water. They have a feeding technology that's built up into the planter itself. The only thing I do is supplement. I do nothing else. And I let the microbes do the rest of the work. And they do a fantastic job. Imagine healthy food this close to your doorstep. Not having to ship it in or bring it in. How much will you pay for 15 pounds of string beans? Excuse me. How much will you pay for 15 pounds of string beans? What's it worth to you? Healthy food. Is it worth $1 in the supermarket? Maybe $150? I'm not sure. But as an organic, beyond organic product, Torpedopot can take off as a tool to grow anything that you want. We're growing in these Torpedopots right now close to 15,000 peapods. Next season, which is going to be in about another month, we're going to put in to grow 5,000 to 10,000 tomatoes. Torpedopot can grow anything. In the third season, we're going to put in some kale and have the kale grow 120 pounds of kale. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food with no human intervention. There is no reason for you going without food again in your life. You should never, ever have to go without food again in your life. Not with this type of abundance at your disposal. Torpedopot grows your food, and it grows it better than anyone else. You just put your seeds in the planter, set it, put your seeds in, put your plants in, you set the planter, and you forget it. You come back and touch it, you supplement it, and adjust the planter as you see fit. It's the world's best growing tool you've ever seen before. Torpedopot. Talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.